Hello, hello. Here's our daily math lesson for Wednesday, May 13th. So I'm looking at Wednesday for the daily math review. I'm feeling like you could take care of those without Miss Woolley's help. Maybe I will help a little bit with the clock. Show 8:38 on the clock. So I'm just going to quickly, I'm going to grab my clock. Just excuse me 1 minute. All right, so I want to show 8:38. So I know I'm on the 8th hour, so I'm going to go to 8 o'clock. So there is 8 o'clock. So if I continue to move my minute hand, 38 minutes. Well, I know 30 minutes is here, so I'm going to go 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. That's how I would solve that problem and draw those hands on there. All right, so we are going to just do a little bit of review of area. Again, I did attach another link to a song/video that I would like you to watch. You can either watch it before mine or after. Doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go into our packet. So it's great that we know how to solve area. So just a quick review. Let's say I had this shape right here, boys and girls. Remember, area equals length times width. So if this were square inches, 4 inches, 2 inches. So I'm going to do 4 times 2 equals. Now remember, you got to pay really close attention to that unit of measurement because when we do our word problems, there's going to be different units of measurement there. Okay, so that would be 8 square units. You can write the whole thing out either way. Good practice for spelling. All right, so what we're going to do is go into your packet, boys and girls. There is a whole bunch of different area word problems. So we're going to do a couple of them on here together, and then you are going to finish the rest of them on your own. So if I take this top one, let me get a little closer. A gardener digs a flower bed that is 6 meters long and 5 meters wide. What is the area of the flower bed? So I always tell friends, it's such a good idea, just even on the side or a different piece of scratch paper, you're going to want to just do a little example in a drawing. So I know that 6 meters is longer, or it's going to be longer than it is wide because it's 6 meters long, 5 meters wide. So I'm just going to go, maybe like that. So I'm going to label it 6 meters, that is M, and then it is 5 meters wide. So when you write your answer, boys and girls, I want you to write me the equation. So your equation for this one would be 6 times 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, this is where it gets tricky. You got to look at the unit of measurement. Square meters, okay? So go ahead and write that right on there. Let's do one more before I let you do these all on your own. All right, here is the second one. Mr. Smith wants to tile the kitchen floor. So, gosh, this almost makes me think that in order to do all these fun projects and do building and construction that we need to understand area. Boys and girls, I have to go back to this one. So this weekend, my friend helped plot out a garden for me. And one of the things that we had to do is we had to measure the area of the space inside of what I wanted. So I knew how many posts to put in, how much meters of fencing to have. So these are useful skills. So let's go back here. Mr. Smith wants to tile the kitchen floor. If the floor is 3 meters long and 4 meters wide, how many 1 meter square tiles will he need? So once again, well, this one we know it's not, it is wider than it is long. So I'm just going to do wider than it is long. I mean, that's not the best picture, but so we've got 3 meters long and we've got 4 meters wide. So ask yourself, what would the area be? It says, how many 1 meter square tiles will he need? So if you can visualize little tiles in here, 3 times 4, 3, 6, 9, 12, okay, 12 square meters. Okay, but it says how many 1 meter square tiles. So you can take this off. You can do 12, okay, square meter. Actually, put it back on tiles because that's what the question is asking, okay? So I want you to give those a whirl. Make sure you're paying close attention to what you want your unit of measurement to be, all right? So your job is to do, I think I'm gonna have you finish these two, boys and girls, and the ones on the back. I know you can do it. If you have any questions, definitely can email me or rewatch the video or the other videos that I have. Okay.